Hello everyone. In this presentation, we will cover about the COBOL programming. Okay, so in this presentation, we will also cover the key features and how the working of COBOL programming as well as the advantages of COBOL programming. So let's start the presentation. So COBOL is basically a business-oriented language, and it is a high-level programming language. COBOL is used for writing application programs, so we can't use it to write system softwares. Okay, so in the next slide we will go through all these bullet points in a depth way. Okay, so we have already seen that COBOL is a common business oriented language and it is a high level programming language. So as we know, as the expanded acronym suggests, that is COBOL is designed for developing businesses and typically file-oriented applications. COBOL is used by the US Department of Defense in a conference, formerly Conference on Data System Language, to develop a language. COBOL is used for writing application programs and we can't use it to write system softwares. This means you would not develop an operating system or a compiler using COBOL. So now we will see how the COBOL programming works. For that, first of all, we must understand that how the way COBOL works. As we know that computers only know machine code, a binary stream of zeros and ones. The code of COBOL must be converted into machine code using a compiler. So for that, we need to run the program source through the compiler, and then the compiler first of all check for any syntax errors and then converts it into the machine language. Then the compiler creates an output file which is known as a loud module. This output file contains executable code in the form of zeros and ones. This is how COBOL programming works. For that, we know that the computers only know machine code, so we need to convert into the machine code. Now let us see the features of COBOL. COBOL is a standard language that can be compiled and executed on systems such as IBM AS400, a personal computer. Okay. So, business-oriented, structured language and robust language. For all these, the COBOL language is famous. So, first is business-oriented. COBOL is developed for business-oriented applications related to defense domain, financial domain, etc. Structured language. COBOL is also a logical control structures are offered in COBOL, which makes it easier to read and modify. COBOL provides us different divisions, so it is easy to debug. Robust language. COBOL is a robust language and its numerous testing and debugging tools are available for almost all computer platforms. There are also two features, that is COBOL is also popular for simple language. COBOL is a simple language, no user-defined functions, no user-defined types, no pointers, and as well as a limited scope of functions. Self-documenting. One of the major design goals for COBOL was to make it possible for non-programmers such as managers, supervisors, and any users to read and understand COBOL code. Now go through the advantages of COBOL. So COBOL is first generally used high-level programming language. It can handle huge data processing. It is used as a documenting language. So what does the documenting language means? The language which can itself express the code, so we no need to give an extra remark for what the code is meant for. Okay, and the resolution of bugs is easier because it has an effective error message. Also, it is compatible with its past versions. So all these are the advantages of COBOL.